Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the air filter on my 2020 Toyota Tundra. This should work for any model 2007 to 2021. But you don't need any tools, you just get these clips on each side. So here's one on this side too. And make sure they're over the top. And I'll put you guys down here. And you just lift up this air box. And out comes the filter. As you can see, mine's pretty dirty. And I've shaken this out before too. And then here's my new air filter. Got off Amazon. I'll put a link down below where you can get one. Let's open it up. Compare to my old air filter. Get this out of the packaging here. This little part, does this come off? Does it want it to come off? It's kind of interesting, this is glued on there. Alright, so I did some research. And some of the filters do come with this white foam on it, and that's just a pre-filter. You can theoretically take it off if you want, and you'll basically have the same filter as this one. Or you can leave it on, or you can leave it on for 15,000 miles, then take it off, and then use the filter again for another 15,000. You should be probably replacing your filter every 25 to 30,000 miles. Look at your owner's manual. That's kind of just a broad generalization on how often you should be replacing it. So I'll take the new filter, again on the top. Looks real similar. Let's see how we can get it to fit flush in the filter box here. Or if that foam is going to interfere with anything. Looks like I'm getting... So it got to fit in there pretty good. That should be it, guys. If you got any questions, put them in the comments below. Now I got a new air filter in there. I'll let you guys know if I have any issues. But I looked online on a Reddit subforum, and a lot of filters do come with that white foam on there. Something you gotta do every 25, 30,000 miles. I'll put a link down below where you can buy one. And I'll catch you all next time.